Namaste, my dear students. Hope you all are good. Stay home and stay safe. Today, continuation of lesson 2, Civics, Achieving Equality. Dear children, can you tell me what we have learned in previous class? Good. Inequality and discrimination. So, we are going to learn different types of discrimination in forthcoming classes. So, in today's class, we are going to learn about religious discrimination. So, what does mean by religious discrimination? Religious discrimination is treating a person or group differently because of the particular beliefs which they hold about a religion. In other words, religious discrimination is unequal treatment of an individual or group based on their belief. Religious discrimination has been around for a long time. So, dear children, can you tell me the 4 major religions of India? Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism and Sikhism. Dear children, can you tell me the 4 major religion of Tamil Nadu? Good. Hinduism, Christianity, Islam and Jainism. There have been problems between people of different religion for thousands of years. For example, we came across the news recently that CAA was passed, right? What is meant by CAA? Citizenship Amendment Act was passed by the Parliament of India on 11th December 2019. The CAA was passed to provide Indian citizenship to the illegal migrants who entered India on or before 31st December 2014. A particular religion thought that the new law discriminates against them. On 15th December, major protests took place near Jamia Millia Islamia in New Delhi and Aligarh Muslim University. The protest resulted in thousands of arrests and 27 deaths as of 27 December 2019. So, this is the example for the problems between people of different religions. Still, it continues. Our constitution has provided equality for all irrespective of their caste, religion, language, place of birth, etc. Yet discrimination are still in practice even in worship places on the basis of caste, religion, gender and language. Our great social thinkers have been crusading against such discriminations and inequalities. So, dear children, hope you understand religious discrimination, and next topic is socio-economic inequality. Socio-economic inequalities. What is meant by socio-economic inequality? Let me explain. Socio-economic inequalities are defined as inequalities that relate to difference in income, social class, occupational background, educational achievement, and neighborhood deprivation. In the socio-economic field, the benefits of growth have not been spread evenly. The low-income district are associated with low industrial development, low agricultural productivity, and low human development. Similarly, the districts with low literacy rate are found to be with lower sex ratio. So dear children, hope you understand today's topic which we learned today, socio-economic inequality and religious discrimination. Kindly hear this video twice, thrice, as many times you can to get a clear vision of this lesson. Thank you, children.